Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm explaining how to install Signal. I believe you of course heard about the new events which is going place regarding the WhatsApp privacy policy and those stuffs. So a lot of people are switching to the Signal messaging application. I will be discussing more about this application in coming videos. I'm planning a tutorial video series related to Signal installation and how to use a Signal and everything. So as first video we'll be installing Signal application. I'm using an Android phone right now. You can download the application from your Play Store or App Store. Even if you are using an iPhone device, you can download the Signal install on your mobile. So let's start. First of all, we will have to search for the Signal application in the Play Store. So I have already opened the Signal. So just gonna give Signal in Play Store and enter. After that it will appear the applications on my Play Store. So okay, the Signal Messenger is this one. So just click on installation, click on install. So it will take some time to install depending on your internet speed. Basically it's not a big application, it's only 35.6 MB of size. So I'm already installing the application. Great, so we installed the application already. It's checking the software. This is a default application on my device for security checking. That's fine. Let's open the application. Now the installation is pretty simple. You just need to click on continue in this window. If you already on an account, you can just restore the backup. I think most of you will not have account, so you can just click on allow for the permission. Here you're gonna provide your mobile number which you are using for your Telegram Signal application. So I have given one of the number and click on next. So it's asking to verify that we are human. There is a check for whether it's a robot or something, so I'm gonna finish this stuff. It's asking for crosswalks. I just need to choose all the crosswalks which is appearing on my screen. Lol, it's showing a lot of images one after the other. So let's finish. I think it's time to finish. Click on verify. Oh my god. Okay, basicals we need to choose basicals. I believe this the security check is because there is a chance for having DDoS attack or something. So this just want to verify that you're a human and not a robot, not spamming the application for the verification checks. Great, so we'll have to wait for the code. In my case it took a little bit longer because a lot of people, thousands of people, maybe millions of people are downloading the application, so there was a bit delay. You will have to wait for that. Also you will have an option to get a call from Signal, and it will be an IVR, so that you will listen to the IVR and get the password, 6-digit OTP. Unfortunately I didn't get. I am gonna do it again. So I just need to complete this captcha and all this stuff, and I should wait for the code again. So I just received the code. Unfortunately it took like half an hour to 1 hour, I believe, to get that OTP because of the heavy volume and traffic. That's fine. I just put the OTP and provided my name, and here we have to create a PIN for the security purpose. So it must be, you must remember this PIN for you to install it anywhere, any other device. So I'm gonna give one PIN code and click on next. You should confirm the same PIN again. This PIN it will be required when you are installing the Signal on other device with the same number. So let's click on next. So here we have just installed the application. We can use this application even for reading messages which is coming on the mobile, but I don't prefer it. Right now I just want to use my default application. So this is how it looks. So we will be discussing more topics related to the Signal application. We have to discuss about the groups, chats and everything. In coming videos I'll be discussing about that. So I believe this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.